Right, I'm here with David. David, tell us a little bit about how some of these wonderful samples have been created.
Good morning. This sample was created on the X table. This is ACM, folded with 135 degrees.
So ACM, sorry, aluminium
composite material,
yes.
and together with acrylic. And to have the same height on the acrylic, we wash out and just fit perfectly, and you will see.
Oh, I see. So you washed out on the acrylic, so it pops through on the die bond. And then just a technicality, because I'm interested, LED lights inside?
Sample, just a lamp.
Oh, just a lamp. Okay,
just a
perfect.
Lamp. No new technologies.
Okay, great. Let's have a look at the next one over here.
This is made in our Multicam Apex 3, aluminium 12 millimeters. That is cut and polish. Together with acrylic and wood.
Yeah. Fantastic. And the customers like the quality you get off the Apex 3R. Yeah. And what about this interesting one here? Let's have a look at it over here. What about this one, David?
This is EB Flute.
EB Flute, okay.
EB Flute, and is in case of use crease wheel, we use a bevel knife to have nice edges.
Oh, I see.
Perfect edges. And
so this is going to go out. So for those people interested, what David and the team have done is they've bevel cut from the inside. So when you fold it, you get this very sharp 90-degree edge.
Yes, true. Perfect.
Yeah.
Yes.
Fantastic. And then over here, this is one of my favorites. I might turn it a little bit, if we can turn it a little bit.
The name of this sample is, we talk pizza, because we have different pieces of different things that you can do with the Apex 3. You can milling, aluminium, wood, acrylic, engrave, make different pieces all together with different materials to fit one each other.
So 3 different materials combined there.
And also 3D shapes.
Yeah, you can do 3D on the Apex 3R. Fantastic. So, okay, and here, the famous rocket ship.
Yes, the rocket. The rocket is just printed, and the most important is many materials together with the printer. When you cut it or milling, the quality of the ink is destroyed. We use special bits to have this perfect finishing on the printed.
So for what David said is a good point, actually, for many customers or people listening who are interested. This is on a foam PVC, and if you use the wrong milling bit, as you're cutting the foam with the milling bit, it chips and causes the ink to come off, and you have a horrible finish. But and this was done on a C series, which machine?
On the C series.
On a C series. So with the right milling bit on a C series, you get this fantastic design. Wonderful. Thank you. And then finally, we have one here.
This one is a sculpture with a foam that it was cut on the C24, that we can cut up to 50 millimeters in the C table. In one go, we cut all this material without.
Quite surprised. It's actually quite a high density foam there.
Yes, it's
very useful for packaging delicate things, and
for
fantastic, and a nice little sculpture there. And then here, last one here.
This is a material that now is very popular, the acoustic panel, to reduce the sounds in many restaurants and bars. And to create this shape, what we use on the C table, we use the variangle to make different angles.
Yes.
We start in 2.5 degrees, 30 degrees, 18 degrees, just to have this
to get
shape.
The shape. So I don't know if we can get a close-up. I was surprised, actually. I didn't realize that. This is actually cut with a knife. We have a knife tool called the variangle, which goes from 0 to 60 degrees in 1 degree increment, and it means that each of these sheets of acoustic panel could be cut at a different angle, and then you get this curved effect. So amazing finish with a knife as well. So fantastic. Well, David, thank you for walking us through all the samples. Thank you.
You're welcome.